Some race for speed, others for size. Together, we move with purpose. You face complexity, pressure, time, a new machine, a stalled line, a market far from home, and only one shot to get it right. In a world of shortcuts, we go the distance. Because precision isn't a detail, it's everything. We listen before we act. We build trust, not noise. And when others watch, we move. Local minds, global strength, bound by one belief. The only way forward is together. We are not the loudest. We are the ones who deliver. Production's running. The prototype is live. You are not waiting. You're leading. Be precise. Be connected. Be the first.